Hey eBay, today I'm showing you a lot of 12 issues of Tips and Tricks video game magazine. This is the complete year of 2004. I will flip through each issue here so you can get a better idea of the condition. Most of these are going to be in good to very good condition. A few little wrinkles around the edges and maybe some wear on the spine. But in general, condition will be very good. They have these pencil puzzles at the time. We're going to go through and check each issue here. I may have been done doing them by this year. I know some of the earlier years I did do some of them. We'll find out. The first two issues, they haven't been done. I did one in that issue. That one's clean. That one's clean as well. That one's good. That one's good. That one is good. This issue may have been when they stopped the pencil puzzles. No, there they are. Can't remember when. They did stop them at some point, I believe. That one's clean too. Did move them though. This may have been the issue where they stopped them. Yeah, I don't see any in that issue. And as I've said with all of these magazine lots I'm posting, I don't have time to go through these page by page to ensure 100% that like nothing has been cut out, no pages are missing, anything like that. But for the most part, flip through them pretty well. Don't see anything too bad. And yeah, overall very good condition. I think that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.